I'll guide you through how to make hair in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer. In the program, you will see the Blender Studio panel. In a new file, click General. Delete the starter cube, then press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and add a UV sphere. Go to the Object tab and choose Shade Smooth. In the Properties panel, create a material for the hair, change its color to black, and set the surface to Principled Hair BSDF. Switch to Weight Paint mode and paint the areas where you want hair to grow. In the Properties panel, add a particle system and change the type to hair. Under Render, assign the hair material and set the vertex group density to hair group. Go to Particle Edit and shape the hair as desired. In the particle settings, go to Children, set it to Interpolated, and increase the amount to 20. Activate Hair Dynamics, then set the pin goal to 0.2. In Render Properties, set the renderer to Cycles.